Ever wondered how to make your data speak? Welcome to the fascinating world of data visualization, a realm where raw numbers morph into insightful stories. It's a powerful tool, transforming complex data into easily digestible visuals. This video will guide you through the labyrinth of data visualization, introducing you to its various techniques and best practices. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or a curious enthusiast, this journey will equip you with the skills you need to turn data into compelling narratives. Unlock the power of your data by learning how to visualize it effectively. To create a compelling data story, you must first understand your data. Now, this isn't as daunting as it sounds. It's all about getting to know the nature of your data, which includes identifying if it's quantitative or qualitative. Remember, quantitative data deals with numbers and things you can measure objectively. Qualitative data, on the other hand, is more about descriptions and subjective interpretations. Next, consider the scale of measurement. Are you dealing with nominal data, where categories are named? Or is it ordinal, with order being important, like in a ranking? You might also have interval data with consistent scales, or ratio data that has a true zero. Finally, pay attention to the distribution of your data. Is it skewed to one side, or is it a normal bell-shaped distribution? These factors will greatly influence your choice of visualization. Your data's nature is the foundation of your visualization. Understand it well, and your data will start speaking to you. Now that you understand your data, how do you choose the right visualization? With numerous options available, this can seem like a daunting task. But fear not. Bar graphs, for instance, are excellent for comparing discrete categories or showcasing changes over time. Pie charts, on the other hand, are best suited for displaying proportions of a whole. If you need to demonstrate a trend or relationship between two variables, line graphs and scatter plots are your best friends. Additionally, there are more complex types of visualizations like heat maps, bubble charts, or even interactive dashboards. These can provide in-depth insights, but remember, simplicity and clarity should be your guiding principles. An overly complicated chart can lose its message. So, when choosing your visualization, think about what story you want your data to tell. What relationships or patterns do you want to highlight? The right visualization can turn complex data into a simple, understandable story. Choose wisely. Good design isn't just about looking pretty, it's about clarity and understanding. Let's dive into the principles of good design in data visualization. First up is color usage. Colors can be powerful tools. They can highlight important data, distinguish different categories, and guide the viewer's eye. However, it's crucial to remember that less is often more. Too many colors can confuse and distract, so use them sparingly and strategically. Next, we have font selection. Your choice of font can significantly influence readability. Opt for clean, simple fonts that are easy on the eye, and remember, consistency is key. Using too many different fonts can cause confusion. Now let's talk about layout organization. A well-structured layout can make your data easier to understand. Keep related elements close together and use white space effectively to avoid clutter. Lastly, it's important to strike a balance between aesthetics and clarity. While a visually pleasing design can engage viewers, it should never compromise the data's readability. With well-designed visualizations, your data won't just speak, it will sing. So, are you ready to make your data speak? Let's quickly recap. First, understanding your data is crucial. You can't illustrate what you don't comprehend. Second, choosing the right visualization is key. Not every chart or graph fits every data set. Finally, focus on good design. Aesthetic matters, as it can make or break the clarity of your visualization. So, go ahead, put these practices to use, and let your data tell its story. Remember, the goal of data visualization is to illuminate insights, not just to impress. Make your data tell a story, and you'll unlock its true potential.